Yo, what's up everybody? This is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping, and I hope you guys had a really good Memorial Day weekend. And I can't believe that it's already Wednesday and another day for What Is It Wednesday. So this week I'm asking you to identify this plant. It is native, not just to Florida, but to many other, well, basically the whole country. There is some debate on how many different species we have here. Basically going back to it being not very well documented or precisely documented by the initial botanists or settlers that were coming here and describing the flora of the New World. So I want you guys to give me the closest you can to the botanical or scientific name, or you can give me any variation of the common name, and I'll take that. So all correct answers submitted by midnight on Friday will be entered for a $10 prize. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys this plant. So these red pentas are not the plant that I want you guys to identify. They are very close by, so I can't avoid including them in the shot, but let's go ahead and clarify that the red pentas are not in play. So I want you to come down and look at these leaves here, and in the back you'll kind of see some shiny black berries. Notice how shiny they are. Hint, hint. And I'll even get you guys a shot of the flower. Now that flower may look familiar, at least the shape of it. Probably not the color, but the shape of that flower, the design of it, should look kind of familiar, especially for you vegetable gardeners. There is a related plant that has similar shaped flowers, so that'll kind of hone you in, at least to the right family. More flowers over here. You can't really see it, but there is a little, almost like a little bit of a fuzz on the leaves. It's very, very subtle. And this is popping up in my garden as a volunteer here in Central Florida in Seminole County. All right, guys, so hopefully you know what plant that is. It's a little tough. It is not a sought after plant. It's not something that you'll see the nursery selling, but it is a really cool plant, especially for a food forest or a foodscape, for a couple different reasons, and we'll go into that when I do the reveal on Saturday. So if you know the name of this plant, make sure you drop a comment on this video, send us a message, or you can even email me at fol.landscapes@gmail.com. And so basically we take all those correct answers, and after midnight on Friday, once all the answers are in, we pick one winner through a random drawing to win a $10 prize. And that $10 prize can be a $10 gift card to any brand of your choice. Last week's winner decided to receive a $10 Lowe's gift card. So as long as we can find gift cards in a $10 amount, we're totally cool with that. You can also choose to receive $10 off our online nursery. We sell on Etsy. We also sell on our business website. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and look in the description. I'll have links there. And then the last thing you can do with your $10 is you can choose to donate it to any nonprofit of your choice. So those are your three options for redeeming your $10 prize, okay? Even if you don't have the right answer, we donate money each week to different organizations related to conservation in Florida. So for every 10 participants, we donate money. And this week it's going to be to the Florida Wildlife Federation. So a group that promotes conservation, not only plants and land use, but also for our animals here, protecting them, giving them habitat, and just kind of raising awareness and teaching for them. So that's who we're donating to. So don't be afraid to send us a guess. It can be something even wild. Some people will just put a period in order to count as a participant, so because they know that we're trying to raise money for these great groups. So that's totally fine too. And then, you know, even if you get close, maybe you will have the right answer. We'll see. But make sure you guys stay tuned. Come back on Saturday when I release the reveal video so you can learn what this plant was and learn more about this plant. So hope you guys look forward to that. Also be on the lookout for Fun Fact Friday this week and just anything else that we're posting, guys. We thank you for support. Thank you for playing What Is It Wednesday, and we'll see you Saturday.